Welcome back. You're now looking at Camtasia Studio, and you're looking at the timeline where we have a recorded video on the timeline. And really what we're doing here is we are looking at the audio. And in certain places you're going to see peaks, and what you're looking for when you edit out your audio is going to be the 3 claps. As you can see here, we basically indicated those places by clapping 3 times where we need to go on our timeline to correct. So for example, inside of Camtasia Studio, if we hit the play button, this is what we created on our timeline, so we'll know where to go in order to make corrections. And so regardless of what kind of editing software you use, you do want to use this little system so that you know where to go in order to take out the places where you've made mistakes. In Camtasia, we do it in this way. And once we've gone to all those places and we've taken out the audio where we make corrections, we'll have a clean audio file. Now there are typically 2 features that you can exercise with any audio creation software. One thing we can do is we can go to the timeline and we can do noise reduction. And basically what we're doing is we're going to take out any background noise throughout the entire recording. Now in Camtasia Studio, the way that you do this, you're going to pick a piece on the timeline where there is silence. You're going to do noise removal and remove any clipping or clicks. What you can also do in Camtasia Studio or just about any other video editing or audio editing software is you can level out the volume. And that's what we'll do here. Basically now what we have is we have a recording that we can now produce. And the final production, what we're going to do is we're just going to go to Produce and Share in Camtasia. What we're then going to do is do an audio only production. We're then going to go to the area where we want it in our hard drive. And we'll then click the Finish button. And the render process will then be complete. We'll then have one of our chapter audios. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.